You can control Bob's movements, select his cleaning modes, set his cleaning schedule, and send him to charge all from his remote control. Bob's remote requires 2 AAA batteries, not included. If you're not using the remote on a regular basis, remove the batteries and store the remote in a dry place. Syncing the remote. If Bob is not responding to the remote, you will need to sync it. Make sure the remote has a working pair of batteries before proceeding. To sync the remote, hold down the play pause button and press down Bob's cover button for a few seconds until you hear him chirp 3 times. If Bob does not chirp 3 times, repeat the process. After you have synced the remote, it's ready to use. Getting to know the remote. The play pause button on Bob's remote tells Bob to start cleaning or to stop. The 4 navigational buttons allow you to control Bob's movements. To direct Bob in a certain direction, hold down the navigational button. Release the button when you want Bob to stop. Press the play pause button when you're done directing Bob and he will resume cleaning on his default mode. The buttons on the top row of Bob's remote select his various cleaning modes. Click the broom button and Bob will clean on his default mode. Click the wall track button and Bob will clean along the perimeter of the room he's in. Click the quick clean button and Bob will clean for 30 minutes before returning to his station to charge. The 2 leftmost buttons on the bottom row have to do with Bob's cleaning schedule. Click the clock button to edit the current time of the remote. Click the schedule button to set Bob's cleaning schedule. Lastly, the home button sends Bob back to his home base to charge.